Hi, I'm Brenda, and today we're taking a look at why being eco-friendly is vital when it comes to sex toys. At Womanizer, we're known for being forward thinkers, and as one of the leading brands, we understand it's our responsibility to find new ways to support sustainability and make orgasms greener. After all, loving yourself and your planet don't have to be mutually exclusive. We all know taking care of our planet is one of the most pressing concerns we face today, but sometimes it can feel a little overwhelming. That's why it's important to remember that you can do your part with even the smallest of changes. Everything counts. From ditching the disposable batteries to making sure you recycle properly, there are everyday steps you can take to show the environment the respect it deserves. And these small changes extend to the bedroom, too. By making sex toys more sustainable, we're helping you love yourself and the planet at the same time. An environmentally friendly sex toy might sound a little abstract, but luckily, we have the real deal ready for you to check out. Premium Eco is the result of years of groundbreaking research and design. As one of the world's first sustainable motorized sex toys, Eco could be the example for the future sex toys to follow, and we're excited for its potential impact on a greener future. While Womanizer toys have been a longtime favorite across the globe, we're always looking to the future and what we can do to take sex toys to another level. As the first sex toy made from Bioline, a unique material that is biodegradable and bio-based, Eco won't create bulky waste or add to the landfill if you ever part ways. Recycling and reducing waste can be as simple as shopping a little more sustainably. It might sound basic, but it's a key element to Eco's success as an eco-safe option. With a case that can be completely taken apart, you can switch up your rechargeable battery and extend your toy's life for as long as you want. Once you're ready to move on, your disassembled toy can be easily recycled with minimal waste. If you're ready to make a change and start taking those little steps to help your world become a little more sustainable, check out Premium Eco. Remember, choosing the right toy can not only be good for you, but it can be amazing for the environment too.